Y'all know I don't mind helping because nobody helps me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an exciting video. This is going to be my second ever PR haul. And we have a lot to get into today. So if you guys would like to see all the goodies I was recently gifted in PR, then please keep watching. Okay, so I like to make these disclaimers just to share that these are all items I was gifted in PR, meaning said company thought it would be great to send said product to me so that I could share with you guys, hopefully like it and recommend it to you all. I started doing these videos 2 months ago because you all said you like to see what's new, and I said sure. I get tons of PR every week, and it is under no assumption that I'm gonna share, talk about, love. Some of these items I will not like. Every other month I do rating PR packages, so I'll link the most previous and I will link the first PR haul. Let's get into this video because I have a lot to share. So I'm just gonna pull right on out of my Mary Poppins bag. The first item I have is the St. Tropez Self Tan Luxe Body Serum. And this is a self tanner in the form of a body serum. Basically an oil. This is what it looks like. I started using St. Tropez maybe a little over a decade ago, and I really like their products, so I can't wait to use this and see what it's all about. I do love their traditional self tanner. Not sure how I feel about a serum. I think this would probably be good for like everyday use to kind of enhance your tan, but also it looks a little oily. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully this is just my opinion. Hopefully I'm wrong because I don't like body oils too much. And along with that, they sent me the St. Tropez Self Tan Berry Sorbet. And both of these products actually did come with the tanning mitts, which are amazing. I love this. I've been using it. I will insert a picture on the screen. I have to do a review on Instagram. Now, I am one of those black girls who likes to tan. I know some people are gonna think it's crazy. I say do what makes you happy. If you are lighter than me and you would like to tan, if you are darker than me and you would like to tan. If you guys have seen my swimsuit videos or try on hauls, my upper body is a lot darker than my lower body because I don't really like to show my legs too much. So this has solved that problem because now I can use a self tanner every other week or so and maintain the evenness of my skin tone, which I like because my lower body is the actual color of my skin. This product is amazing. It's mess free. It's easy to use. It also smells good. It does smell like berries. I love it. Hopefully I didn't get that on my lips. My next item is the Drunk Elephant A Shaba Complex Eye Serum, and I'm excited to try this because I have not tried, besides one product, any Drunk Elephant, and that one product was many years ago and I wasn't too fond of it, so I'm excited to try this eye serum. This is for smoothing and depuffing. It has caffeine, copper peptides, and retinol, so this is really going to help to plump my skin and to brighten it with the caffeine. And retinol helps to turn over those skin cells. So I'm excited to use this. Let me know if you guys have tried this. Also, let me know if you would like any of these products reviewed. I will review them on my Instagram if so. The second product from Drunk Elephant is the A Passione Cream Retinol, and this is to reboot and smooth. I'm excited to try this. It also comes with a Bee Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum sample, and that's like a hyaluronic acid. I have heard that's great. It's a 1% retinol photoprotective with xanthophyllus. Not sure what that's for. If I remember to look it up, I'll place it across the screen. But this is basically a retinol cream, but it seems like it's going to be very like soothing for your skin because a lot of times retinol can be a little harsh. Also, I should state, I get all these products in PR. Not everything is gonna work for me. These might not work for me. Not everything is going to be meant for my skin type. Companies don't do that much research when they want to send you products. They just like to send influencers or bloggers new releases releases in hopes that you'll talk about it. So I don't use everything. Some items like this, I'll just keep on hand in case I run out of a retinol, or maybe I'll give it to someone in my family, but I don't use everything. Also, you shouldn't try too many active ingredients in 1 week. So just a little FYI, but something like an eye cream I'll probably use, but I might not get to trying everything right now, and that's okay. I also like having a skincare store in my beauty room, which I'll show you guys one day. Okay, now let's get on to Charlotte Tilbury because they sent me quite a bit. So the first product is another glow toner, which I love. This is basically a niacinamide smoothing toner. It helps to exfoliate your skin and also make you glow. I love it, love it, love it. I'm not really a fan of toners, but this is one of my favorites. It is a little pricey, but she's the good girl Charlotte and she makes you glow. I have also reviewed much of Charlotte Tilbury skincare line in a comprehensive video. I'll link that down below. Next product I got is the Magic Night Cream. And this is great if you have really, really dry skin. I have combo oily skin, so this is too heavy for me. I usually give this to someone in my family. It's basically like the texture of like really thick Vaseline. It was just way too thick for me. It's not a bad product, it's just too thick. But if you have dry skin, you'll probably love it. Charlotte Tilbury products make you glow. So shout out to the good girl, we love her. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I go through this so quickly. I love this product so much. It is my favorite nighttime cream. Now traditionally this is for use in the daytime, but like I said, because I have combo oily skin, I use it at night. Now these containers are refillable, which is amazing. This makes your skin glow. I always put an extra coat on at night before I film the next day because it has hyaluronic acid in it. It's amazing. It is very expensive, so I am so grateful to be on Charlotte Tilbury's PR list, but if I weren't, I would purchase it because that's how much I believe in it. And I actually was a fan of this before I got on the PR list. And let me know if you guys would like a video about like getting on PR lists and like how to go about that, because I can definitely share if that's something you guys are interested in. Y'all know I don't mind helping because nobody helps me. The next item is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue, and I've tried to start using this more regularly. Y'all know that I am not an avid eye cream user, though I need to be because I'm not getting any younger. But this is an eye cream that is packed with retinol, which is so great for renewing your skin cells more quickly. So if you are dealing with signs of aging and you want to kind of reverse that, or at least halt it, can't reverse it, retinol is amazing. I find that this is just a really hydrating product. I think eye creams are a little skippable. I don't think they're so necessary, but as long as you're using something around the delicate skin around your eye, you're good to go. Oh. Can I get her back in? The next item from Charlotte Tilbury is their beautiful skin foundation in the shade 13 Warm Shawd. I have not tried this yet. I'm excited to. This looks like this would be great for vacation. Yeah, I think I'm gonna love this for vacation. Not that I have one planned, because every time I have a vacation planned, something comes up and then I can't go. But you know, God willing, one day I'll go on another vacation. But this is supposed to be a really hydrating, natural looking foundation that gives you radiant skin, improves radiance by 285%. So we love that. Hopefully the shade works for me. It might be a little too deep, but maybe that will just encourage my tan to increase, huh? Yeah. The next product is I'm really excited about this, Charlotte Tilbury Multi-Miracle Glow. This is a cleanser, a mask, and a balm for baby smooth glowing skin. I have waited to do this PR haul to use this product. It is huge. Wow. Okay, let's smell it because I'm weird. Oh, it smells like faintly of roses. So I'm excited to use this. It's a makeup melting concoction that can also be used as a mask for soft, glowing, baby smooth skin. So that should be good. I'll definitely review this and let you guys know what I think. And then my last Charlotte Tilbury product is the Collagen Super Fusion Facial Oil. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of this just because I'm not the biggest fan of oils because of my combo oily skin. But I think in the fall and winter time when I'm very, very parched, something like this would be great. I usually give these to somebody because I'm not the biggest fan, but I do like to keep at least one or two in my skincare store in my beauty room just because they're good to have. Like if you ever get really, really dry and dehydrated, you might need an oil. This also has collagen in it, which helps to kind of rebuild your skin elasticity. So it's like an anti-aging oil, and it's really good to use on top of a cream to kind of lock all that moisture and hydration in your skin, and it's so yummy. Next two products are from Ciate London. So I got this Wonderland mascara, which actually is supposed to build for added texture. My lashes are piss poor, so we'll have to see how this works. The packaging is beautiful. I have not used too many products from Ciate London. The brush looks like something I will love, so shout out to Ciate London. I'll have to use this when I finish the current mascara that I'm using. I love receiving mascaras in PR because that means that I don't have to buy them. And when you use lashes, I still like to apply mascara, but it's like you don't want to waste a ton of money when you're still gonna apply a falsie. I also got the Ciate London Hydrating Lip Oil in Watermelon Burst. That sounds amazing. Oh, look how cute. That's gonna be cute for like running to the grocery store, sitting at my pool. So I'm excited to use this. Let's see if it smells like watermelon. Ooh, it does. Yeah, I'm gonna put that straight into my purse so that I can use that this week. Okay, I also got the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Now y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of primers, but this has vitamin C in it, so hopefully this is really good at protecting my skin and providing a smooth canvas. Yeah, not the biggest primer fan, but maybe y'all like that. The Olive 9-piece eyeshadow set. Ciate must have revamped their line because I don't remember them having all of these goodies a long time ago. And y'all know I'm not the biggest eyeshadow fan anymore, but sometimes it's nice to add some pizzazz. Look at this packaging, yes. Ooh, these are pretty shades. Very, very nice neutral shades. This will be great for the summertime when you're not trying to do too much, because I'm not. So thank you so much to Ciate London. Oops, wait, I have one more. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I could always use a good translucent powder. I will have to say their product packaging is hard to get into, so I'm gonna have to just break the packaging. You all's branding is so cute. This is really nice and sleek. I do like that because the Laura Mercier one that I'm currently using is quite big. So I'm excited to try this. I have some traveling this summer, so maybe I will take it with me then. Thank you so much to Ciate London. I'm excited to try some new goodies. Okay, next we have Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes Lactic Acid All-in-One Treatment. This is something that I tried many, many eons ago. Lactic acid is a really gentle acid that helps to exfoliate your skin. This is like a flash facial. You can put it on for a few minutes or you can leave it on overnight. I don't think it says to do that. Well, let's see. Yeah, can be applied, okay, on top of the Luna Night oil and before your moisturizer. So that's what it is. Within 3 minutes, it instantly plumps your skin. Now, I can't necessarily speak to that, but it does help to smooth texture. If you are someone like myself who is oily and acneic, you probably deal with a lot of texture. This helps to get rid of it. It makes your face feel like a baby's bottom. I love this. It's really, really expensive. So I'm so glad to have this baby to add to my skincare arsenal. It's like a treatment product or a serum. It's really, really great though. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I used to really, really like Sunday Riley. So thank you, Sunday Riley. The next item I have is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. I actually have tried this and I don't like it. So this is what it looks like. It's too dry. It wasn't wet enough. It didn't have enough slip. It was also too close to my skin tone, so it's not light enough for use under my eye. But for like my face, maybe I could try using it that way and I'd like it. But for under my eye, it didn't have enough slip. I know people love this concealer though. Not my favorite. Maybe if I use it on my face though, like not under my eye. We'll see. Next product is the MAC Green Actives High Performance Lip Filler. Now I got this from Octoly. This is like a lip serum, if you will. That is almost $100. And I didn't see much of a difference. First of all, it's so hard to get this dispensed from the rollerball. You kind of have to like hold it upside down and apply it. Too much. Like, not in the grand scheme of life, but too much for a $100 lip product. For $100, I wanted it to actually look like I have lip injections. Yeah, no. It has rave reviews on Sephora. Maybe it's just me, but I'm not the biggest fan. I will keep this to just use it. Maybe in my bathroom, but not my favorite, and I don't know why anyone's paying $100. But thank you to MAC Green Actives. I appreciate this. It just didn't work for me, and that's okay. Next, we have Glow Recipe, and these are the Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. This is a treatment and primer, and the girls are loving this. It has great reviews on Sephora. I included it in my Sephora sale video because the reviews were so amazing. I think I'll try this tomorrow. So it probably smells like strawberry. Yes, it does. And these little drops are just supposed to be like a primer to help blur your pores. It makes my hand look plumper. It kind of blurred the lines, but I think it's because it's hydrating. I don't know. I'll have to try this on my skin and let you guys know in a full review. But so far, I'm not sure. And that's kind of how I feel about Glow Recipe. I feel like so many of the items are gimmicky, but then some of them I really, really love. The jury's still out on that. The next product from Glow Recipe I received is the Hyaluronic Acid Cream Plum Plump. And I think this is the refill. This is the actual product. So it's basically a dewy moisture and plumping cream. Now y'all know that I love hyaluronic acid. So this is probably going to be great for hydration. Cute packaging, but I don't know. We'll see. I feel like this is just a moisturizer, so I probably will like it. I do like that it is refillable, and this is a refill, but when I was opening it, I kind of pierced it, so hopefully, okay, it's still doing okay. Thank you so much to Glow Recipe for sending those products over for review. These are 2 new products, and hopefully I will love them for all the hydration that my skin needs. So guys, that is everything I have to share in this massive PR haul. As you can see, I get a lot of PR, and even in this video you saw some of the items I have started using. Not everything's gonna work for me. I never feel guilty about sharing my honest opinion, because honest reviews is what you are gonna get on this channel. I can't wait to get more into these products as I find a need to use them. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, let me know what you want reviewed. Bye guys.